Welcome back to Jeep Mudmaster. Today's feature is no ordinary motorhome. It's a bold, stylish, and off-road capable 2025 Ford E-Series Echelon motorhome. With a striking, vibrant white base and eye-catching red accents, this machine is built for those who love freedom on four wheels. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this RV combines rugged performance with luxury comforts. From its 4x4 wheels to intelligent interior layouts, it's designed to handle every terrain and provide cozy living on the move. Stay with us as we explore every corner of this impressive mobile home. Exterior, front view. Starting with the front exterior, the Ford Echelon greets you with a muscular grille carrying the iconic Ford emblem, symbolizing power and reliability. It features full LED matrix headlights, daytime running lights, and stylish red detailing on the hood and bumper, giving it a sporty and adventurous persona. Parked in the official Ford showroom, the shine of the premium paintwork reflects its attention to craftsmanship. The high ground clearance and steel skid plates add both function and form, making a reliable beast ready for any adventure. Top side view. Now, let's take a look from the top. The Echelon's roof is more than just a cover. It's a self-sufficient power station. Equipped with dual solar panels, it powers your internal lights, appliances, and even emergency equipment. A low-profile AC unit sits alongside an omnidirectional digital antenna, ensuring you're always connected, even in remote zones. The insulated roof paneling provides added thermal protection, keeping you cool in summer and warm in the cold. There's even a roof hatch for ventilation and emergency exit. Safety meets innovation. Backside view. The back of the Echelon is all about smart storage and adventure support. Here we have a heavy-duty spare tire mounted securely, and right beside it is a high-tensile steel bicycle rack for up to 2 adult cycles. The rear LED floodlights offer great visibility for late-night stops or reversing. A built-in ladder gives easy rooftop access, and there's even a rear storage bin for tools or emergency supplies. The curved aerodynamic rear design helps reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency during long highway drives. Side view. On the side, you'll find one of the best features, outdoor living space. A motorized awning extends at the push of a button to create a cozy shaded area. Underneath, fold-out picnic chairs and collapsible table are cleverly stored in side compartments. This setup includes power outlets and USB ports, so you can charge gadgets or run outdoor lights. The side also features stylish tinted windows, providing both privacy and UV protection. Perfect for campfires, barbecues, or just soaking in the scenery. Driving compartment. Climb into the driver's zone, and you will find comfort meets technology. The leather-wrapped steering wheel comes with integrated controls for cruise, media, and phone functions. You get dual LED screens, one dedicated to navigation and entertainment, and the other linked to a rearview HD camera for blind spot coverage. The plush captain seats come with armrests, heating options, and adjustable lumbar support. Plus, there's a custom climate control system, Bluetooth, and voice command features, making long road trips smoother and smarter. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the driver's area is your multifunctional living zone. The sofa seamlessly folds into a bed, with memory foam mattress built in for added comfort. During the day, it serves as a lounging area with a movable center table and cup holders. LED ceiling lights and wall-mounted reading lamps set the perfect ambience. Overhead, there's ample cabinet space for linens, books, or tech gadgets. Plus, blackout curtains ensure full privacy and restful sleep, even during daytime naps. Kitchen. Moving on to the mini kitchen, it's surprisingly spacious and efficient. There's a 2-burner gas stove, microwave oven, and energy-efficient fridge with a freezer compartment. A folding countertop extension provides extra prep space, and there's a deep stainless steel sink with a filtered water tap. Overhead cupboards and under-counter drawers are thoughtfully laid out for cutlery, dry goods, and cookware. A small exhaust fan above the stove keeps the air fresh, and LED task lights brighten the entire space for evening cooking sessions. Washroom. This compact bathroom unit is brilliantly designed. You get a porcelain foot-flush toilet, a corner-mounted stainless steel sink, and a compact shower with retractable curtain. The skylight above brings in natural light while maintaining ventilation. Smart shelves and wall hooks let you store toiletries, towels, and travel kits. Everything is waterproof and easy to clean, and the gray water management system ensures hygienic drainage even when you're off-grid. A perfect blend of compact luxury and practicality in under 4 square feet. And that wraps up our complete walk through the 2025 Ford E-Series Echelon motorhome. With its smart features, rugged 4x4 capability, and vibrant white and red design, this RV is tailor-made for dreamers and doers alike. At a price tag of $212,000, it offers premium value for those ready to live life without limits. What do you think about this Ford Marvel? Would you take it cross-country or off the beaten path? Let us know in the comments. And remember, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, safe travel from Jeep Mudmaster.